Hello beautiful ladies, whether you are in your 40s, 50s or 60s, it's never too late to refresh your style and embrace a chic new look. In today's video, we are sharing with the most stylish and timeless short haircuts for mature women, perfect for confidence, elegance and easy maintenance. For women with thinning or fine hair, the right shortcut can create volume and structure that lasts all day. Short hair is not just practical, it's powerful. It enhances your features, lifts your face, and gives you a fresh, polished look with minimal effort. For women in their 40s, angled bob and soft pixies are trending, elegant yet modern. In your 50s, try a collarbone bob or a texture crop with light layers, and in your 60s, go for feathered cuts or classic pixies that soften your features while keeping things effortless. These short hairstyles are low maintenance but never boring. Add a side part, soft bangs, or tousled layers for variety. Use a round brush or styling cream to give your hair lift and hold. That's all you need to look fabulous every day. Remember, style has no age limit. A great haircut can brighten your face, lift your mood, and reflect your personality. So don't be afraid to go short, go bold, and love how you look. Which style was your favorite? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and hairstyle inspiration for fabulous women over 40. After watching the video, you must comment in the comment section how was the video and what you want to see on our channel videos. Please share my video with your friends and your family because everyone needs styling. Sharing your video will help them too and you will help me. Somehow I will keep bringing good videos for you guys. At the same time, I would like ask your permission to leave. See you soon in another nice video. Until then, take care of yourself.